If gamer ka and ayaw mo ng delay sa sound, this might be worth checking. Hi guys, it's me Sedge. So for today, meron tayong i-unbox. This is the Anker Soundcore VR-P10 wireless gaming earbuds. May low latency mode and works for gaming setup. So ito yung box niya. Clean, simple packaging, very Anker style. So dito sa labas, naka-indicate kung anong laman ng box. So let's open and see what's inside. So pagka-open, as you can see, we have here the earbuds. Compact siya, hindi bulky, madaling dalhin. Ito siya sa malapitan, and yung charging port niya pala is Type-C. So balik naman tayo sa box. So meron tayo ditong manual ng Anker earbuds. Included din yung ear tapes and yung charger na Type-C. Ito naman yung ear tapes na may different sizes. May small, medium, large. So kinuha ko yung medium para ikabit dito sa earbuds. Next, ito namang dongle USB Type-C. Ito yung ginagamit for gaming mode or low latency connection. Ito naman yung pinaka-manual niya or instructions kung paano gamitin. May LED light guide din siya, which is helpful. You can easily tell if charging, connected, or low battery just by looking at the lights. So di mo na kailangan lagi mag-check sa phone. First impression, simple and functional yung design. Not flashy, more on practical look lang. Yung case small lang, very portable. Kahit saan, pwede mong dalhin. Yung earbuds naman niya is magaan lang, good for long use. So actually guys, this works in two modes. First is Bluetooth mode for music and everyday use. Second is yung dongle mode. So ang main feature nito is 30 ms low latency gaming mode. Meaning, very minimal yung delay between action sa screen and sound. So in games, mas sync yung audio like footsteps, gunshots, and movement. Compared sa normal Bluetooth earbuds, mas responsive siya for gaming. Big help siya especially sa FPS or fast-paced games. Just to clarify, when you are in dongle gaming mode, focus siya sa game audio. Hindi siya yung sabay na full audio from multiple devices. If may calls or notifications, depende yun sa device settings. Usually, lalabas lang or may sound prompt, pero hindi siya automatic na mag-interrupt ng gameplay unless you switch or answer. For battery life, the earbuds can last several hours of continuous use. Enough for long gaming sessions or daily use. Then, the charging case gives multiple extra charges. So overall, kaya niya tumagal for a full day or more depending sa usage. If you are looking for wireless earbuds na may low latency and works for multiple devices, this is worth checking out. Nakalink siya sa description or yellow basket if you want to see it. Follow me for more.